It's been one awful movie after another. It's like they're competing with Sony's Spider-Verse spinoff thing they were doing. Not Miles, no. I mean the Morbius shit. And, you know, as much as I love Madeline Petch, I just feel like it's another L for her, bro. Homegirl gotta start getting a bit. She gotta fire her manager. It's insane. So this film stars her as Charlie O'Malley. That's her name. Main character generator 3000 with that one. I don't know. Like she is a female mechanic, shop owner, cool premise on paper, independent woman, family business, empowering vibes, whatever. Except, of course, it's a flashy corporate rival who comes across the street, run by Bo, who's a generic, you know, handsome dude, whatever, blah, 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 whatever. And if that wasn't enough cliche for you, this then gets where Charlie's confiding her frustrations to some anonymous online friend who, surprise, surprise, ends up being Bo.